projection of plane after making the top view and the front view. Now the next step is you have to make the front view should be inclined at an angle to the HP. Now let us assume in this question the front view is here and this line, okay, so this line is making an angle. Let us take the angle is 45 degree to the HP. Okay, so it means the front view, it is inclined 45 degree to the HP. So in that way we can create here. Now show me the front view and top view. That is the question. Okay, it means this yellow color line, it means the front view, it will be inclined at 45 degree. So when the front view is inclined at 45 degree, how will be your top view? Now this is your regular hexagonal, okay, with 50 mm sides. But when this front view is inclined, how will be your top view that we want to represent or we want to draw? Okay, now let us take the sides of this. Okay, we have to copy this first. Okay, so that we can make incline or we can make the rotate. Okay, so let me go for selection of this. Okay, I will just select this with alphabets. Okay, it has been selected. Now go for copy selection as you did before. Make copy selection, then again click here. See, it is copied now. Entire the line, everything is copied. Again, if you make this ortho off so that you can rotate wherever you want. Okay, I just move to this place. Okay, then again enter escape. This will be removed. Okay, so we have not changed anything. There is a same size, same number, same letters, everything is same. Okay, just we have copied and moved to some place. Now as per the question, we have to rotate this front view at some angle. Let us, we have taken that angle as 45 degree. Okay, I will try to rotate in that case. So you can use the command, just go for rotate. The command name is rotate, first option. Okay, you can see the first one, rotate. So you have to select, it is not selected. Once again, rotate. Okay, select the object. So we have to select entire object. Not selected. Entire object means you have to select the letters also. Okay, keep in mind like this. All we have selected. Okay, then again enter. Now it is asking you to specify the base point where you want to keep. I want to keep that base point here. Okay, then I can rotate at an angle. So what is the angle of rotation? It is asking you. So as I said, 45. I entered 45 here, as you can check this. Okay, somewhere here or here you can see. So now this is at an angle of 45. After this also this is acceptable, even though if you want this should be on the this line. Okay, you can use the command called move. Okay, use the command move, then select the entire object once again. Not selected D. So again use move command, select the object, select it, then enter. So you can use the base point. So I want to be moved to this place, or you can just enter that, what you call, use the first point as displacement. Okay, just you can use this cursor and you can check whether it is touching. Yeah, hopefully it is touching. Okay, now after that, again use the pen for making the movement. So you have to extend this. Okay, so all the front view points you have to extend below. So you can just specify that, then make your ortho on, then extend, then again enter, then repeat the same procedure. So we want to find this center, anyhow it will be at the center of the line. Yeah, midpoint, then extend. This end point, extend. Okay, done. Now from the top you have to extend towards the right side. So from all the corners just extend. Later you can go for trim the axis line thickness. Okay, the axis line length you can reduce. Now just join A, B, C, D, like this will be A to B. Then make your ortho off to connect this one, not this one, yeah, there. Then this one, then once again enter, repeat the line, join. So this is a compressed hexagonal now. Okay, when it is inclined at 45, you can check the angle. As we said, it should be 45, right? So you can select these two and check the angle. So clearly it is mentioned it is 45. Okay, now this unwanted line extension you can remove using the commands called trim. Type trim, then double enter in the keyboard, then select the line which you don't want. Like this it will be removed. Yeah, that's it. So this is a final top view. Okay, so hope you understand. And again you can use the same letters, then again go for copy selection, move to here, that's it. There is again A B C D procedure. Okay, and thank you for watching.